Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed the chapter number 6, Young Girl, the Diary of a Young Girl, and today we will be doing the comprehension part of it. So, the first question is state whether the following statements are true or false. So, on the basis of the chapter, or if you have read or listened the story very carefully, so we'll come to know that what of are the incidents are correct and what are false. So first is Anne wrote her diary during the World War II. So is it true or false? It is true. Next is Anne had a sister. So Anne had a sister. Yes, true. She has a sister. Then the third was Anne's family wasn't supported by any of their friends. It is false because many of her non-Jewish friend also supported them. Then next, Anne, her sister and her mother died before 1947. Yes, before 1947, during 1945 and all, Anne's mother and her sister, they and even Anne, they all died before 1947. Anne called her diary Kitty. What was the name of her diary? Kitty. Yes, it is true. Next is Anne's thought of courage and hope have failed to inspire everyone. So it is false because Anne's thought of courage and hope have inspired millions of people. So this is a false statement that it has failed to inspire everyone. Okay? Next is answer the following questions briefly. Now we have to answer them. I am just explaining you. Meanwhile, after this, I will be providing you notes also, handwritten notes also. You have to write down in your notebooks. Regarding true false, you can write with pencil in your book only, but the question answers the following questions you have to write down in your notebook. So the first question is, how old was Anne Frank when the World War II broke out? So the answer will be Anne Frank was 13 years old when the World War II broke out. Next question, second question, what was the aim of the Nazis? So the answer will be the aim of the Nazis were to destroy Jewish people and also their culture. Full stop. They had also started sending Jewish people to prison camps. So this will be the answer. Next question number 3, why had Anne maintained a diary? Anne ने डायरी क्यों मेंटेन की थी? बिकॉज एन कन्फाइनमेंट में अंदर बंद कैद में थी 2 साल तक, और वो पूरी रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड से शी वॉज कट ऑफ, और वो अपने फ्रेंड्स की कंपनी मिस करती थी, एंड उसकी डायरी ही उसकी ओनली आउटलेट जो अपने एक्सप्रेशन को, अपने इमोशंस को एक्सप्रेस कर सके, उसकी डायरी ही उसकी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त थी, इसीलिए उसने डायरी मेंटेन की. सो द आंसर विल बी एन स्टेड इन कन्फाइनमेंट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 2 years एंड शी वॉज कट ऑफ फ्रॉम द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. So she missed the company of her friends and her diary was the only outlet for expressing her inner thoughts. ठीक है. Next question number 4, who discovered her diary? किसको उसकी डायरी मिली थी? Anne's friend discovered her diary after her death and they gave it to her father. Question number 5, did any of Anne's family members survive? Anne का कोई फैमिली मेम्बर सर्वाइव किया था? Yes, फादर सर्वाइव किए थे, और मदर एंड Anne and her sister died. Yes, only Anne's father survived and he only helped in the publication of Anne's diary. Anne की डायरी पब्लिश उन्होंने ही करवाई थी. Now the other questions जो बुक में दिए हैं, the rest of the other questions you have to write down in your book only, because wherever space is provided you don't have to write extra, you have to write down with your pencil in the book only. So now C section, find words from the story which mean the opposite as following. So whatever is opposite, you have to write. I think we have skipped the question number 6. How did Anne describe her despair in her diary? So this is a very long question. The answer will be a very lengthy one because Anne का despair, उसका जो दुख है वो उसकी डायरी में किस तरह से उसने एक्सप्रेस किया उसके बारे में लिखना है. सो उसमें कुछ थोड़ी बहुत उसकी फीलिंग्स के बारे में हमें अच्छे से डिस्क्राइब करना पड़ेगा, तो हम उसको इस तरह से लिखेंगे. एंड डिस्क्राइब हर डिस्पेयर इन हर डायरी एज अकॉर्डिंग टू हर शी हैज़ रीच्ड अ पॉइंट वेयर शी हार्डली केयर्ड वेदर शी लिव्स और डाइज. The world would keep on turning without her and she couldn't do anything. So she could allow only events to happen and concentrate on her studies and could hope that everything would be all right at the end. So this will be the answer. Now the words from the story which mean the opposite of the following, that means they will be antonyms. Antonyms are the words which are opposite of any word. So मीनिंग ऑपोजिट होता है उसका. सो फर्स्ट वर्ड, और ये हमें कहाँ से वर्ड्स ढूंढने हैं, ये हमें ढूंढने हैं चैप्टर में से. सो प्रिजर्व का एंटोनिम जो है हमें चैप्टर में मिलता है, दैट इज़ डिस्ट्रॉय, हिड, डिस्कवर्ड, पाना, फॉर्चुनेट, अनफॉर्चुनेट, वीकनेस, करेज, होपफुल, डिस्पेयर जो हताश हो जाते हैं, डिस्पेयर, स्टक बाय, अबैंडन्ड. सो these are the antonyms of the following words. Now language structure, tomorrow we'll do the language structure. Meanwhile I want you to understand these comprehension parts. You have to write down the question answers also. You have to learn the word meanings also, because it is very simple. If you read the chapter properly, you'll be able to understand it better. So meanwhile you write down all the question answers of the comprehension part. Tomorrow we'll do the language structure. Thank you and have a nice day.